A quiet desert highway, wind, an abandoned gas station. A lone payphone stands under the sun. Jack rides his bicycle past the gas station every day after school. The payphone suddenly rings. Jack freezes. Jack answers, shocked, afraid. A woman's voice whispers.
Tell my husband I forgave him.
Jack investigates. The town says the phone was disconnected 20 years ago. Each night the phone rings, different voices, same theme, unfinished goodbyes. Jack delivers messages. Families cry. The town changes. One night, the phone rings again. The voice says,
It's your father.
His father died years ago, before Jack was born. Jack was surprised to hear his father's voice.
I just want to hear you breathe.
The phone goes dead forever. Years later, Jack becomes a roadside mechanic. The payphone is gone, but its message remains. Some calls don't need answers, just someone willing to listen.
Out on a road that never speaks, dust in the air, silence deep, and no phone rings, no one's there, just broken words in desert air. Voices fading, calling home, hearts that never said goodbye. If you're still on the line tonight, listening in the quiet light, say the words you left behind. I'll carry them through space and time. Rust and wires, echoes remain. Every call carries the pain. Names once lost, tears once dry, find their way through static skies. Voices fading, calling home, hearts that never said goodbye. If you're still on the line